Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. Is your Mac showing the wrong date or time? This can mess up apps, internet browsing, and even software updates. In this quick video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix the wrong date and time on your Mac in just a few minutes. Step 1. Check internet connection. First, make sure your Mac is connected to the internet. Go to the Apple menu, System Settings. Then click Network and select Wi-Fi on. Macs usually sync time automatically from Apple's time server. But if you're offline, it can't update. Click the Wi-Fi icon on the top right and ensure you're connected to a stable network. Step 2. Open date and time settings. Next, go to the Apple menu, System Settings. Then click General and select Date and Time Zoom In on the Date and Time Settings panel. Here's where you can check if automatic time is enabled. Make sure Set Date and Time Automatically is turned on. This lets your Mac use Apple's time server to stay accurate. If it's already on but still wrong, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it on again. This refreshes the connections. Step 3. Manually set date and time. If automatic sync doesn't work, you can set the date and time manually. Turn off the automatic option, then click the date and time fields, and enter the correct information. Step 4. Check time zone settings. Also, check your time zone settings. Make sure the location is correct or enable Set Time Zone automatically using your current location. If your time zone is off, your Mac clock will always be wrong. Once you've made the changes, restart your Mac. This ensures the new settings take effect properly. And that's it. Your Mac's date and time should now be accurate. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.